Welcome to our comparison of two Euhomy portable clothes dryers. Today, we will be looking at the Euhomy 110 volts portable clothes dryer and the Euhomy dryer. We will explore their capacities, power ratings, and unique features to help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. The first point of comparison is the capacity. The Euhomy 110 volts portable clothes dryer has a capacity of 1.5 cubic feet, making it suitable for smaller loads. In contrast, the Euhomy dryer offers a larger capacity of 3.52 cubic feet, allowing you to dry more laundry at once. This difference is crucial for those who have larger families or need to dry more clothes in a single cycle. Next, let's talk about power. The Euhomy 110 volts portable clothes dryer operates at 850 watts, which is suitable for light drying tasks. However, the Euhomy dryer boasts a more powerful 1,500 watts, providing faster drying times and better efficiency for larger loads. This is an important factor to consider if you frequently have heavy laundry to dry. Finally, we will compare the features. The Euhomy 110 volts portable clothes dryer offers basic drying modes, including cold, warm, hot, and air dry. On the other hand, the Euhomy dryer includes a sensor drying mode, which automatically adjusts drying time based on moisture levels, and comes with an exhaust hose for better ventilation. These additional features can enhance your drying experience and improve efficiency. In conclusion, both Euhomy dryers have their strengths. If you need a compact and budget-friendly option, the Euhomy 110 volts portable clothes dryer is a great choice. However, if you require a larger capacity and advanced features, the Euhomy dryer is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.